Let's get you manifesting $250,000 this year. Stay tuned. Hey, Scott Haug here, and in today's video we're going to be going over manifesting $250,000 into your life. Now, this is going to be a great companion to my other video on the 5 steps to manifesting $100,000. So if you haven't watched that, make sure you watch that right after this video. Link will be in the description below, and then also a link above. Now, in my last video, I talked about belief. I talked about that you need belief to first manifest anything. You need to believe that it's possible for you. So we're going to start the 5 steps here in just a moment, but what I really want you to have here, and make sure you stay to the end of the video, by the way, because I'm going to be talking about the 5 steps to $250,000, but then also how to scale even beyond that as well. And that's going to be the secret sauce to this entire formula, these 5 steps, okay? But it's really important that you remember that there's a limitless, formless substance that everything is created in. Your thoughts, your feelings, your actions, your results, the things around us, they're all made from a fundamental thinking substance. And this is proven scientifically, absolutely at a quantum level, right? So getting to $250,000, you don't need to know how it's going to happen. Just you have to go through a series of processes to make sure you fuse with it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it here. The first step always is identity. You need to start fusing with the identity of a $250,000 per year earner. Now, again, in my last video, I discussed a little bit of these techniques and getting to $100,000. So whether you're at $100,000 a year, you're at $250,000 already, you want to manifest another $250,000, or you're just getting started, this is going to help. We need you to start fusing with the identity of a $250,000 or $20,000 per month earner. Now, what does that look like? We need to start having you think, believe, and accept that that's who you are from now on. Easier said than done. So what we need to do on a daily basis is write down our new identity. What are the qualities? What are the characteristics of a $250,000 earner? What would they think of abundance? What would they think of alignment? What would they think of money overall? Every day, I want you to look yourself in the mirror and actually think through, I am a $250,000 per month or per year earner. I'm a $20,000 per month earner, whatever your currency is. You're going to look yourself in the eye and say that out loud. And a part of you is not going to believe it. It's okay. As you do this repetitiously, you're going to start to have that idea consumed in your conscious, drop the seed into the subconscious, and allow yourself to be in the space of actually accepting it and believing it to be true. Now, the second step is doing the math. What does it take to earn $20,000, euros, pounds, whatever it is, whatever your currency is, per month? Do you know the math? Do you know what that looks like? Let's do an example. You could sell 20 things that charge $1,000 each, and 1,000 times 20 right there is $20,000, right? Or instead of 20 things sold at 1,000, you could sell 200 things at $100. So if you sold 200 things at $100 each, you're going to make $20,000 that month. And if you can duplicate that every single month, you're going to start to have $20,000 per month. A lot of my students and clients become coaches, service providers, consultants, and they charge a higher fee. So for example, some of my coaches charge $5,000. That means they need 4 people that they can help at $5,000 each. 5,000 times 4 is 20,000. Or some of my advanced clients and students charge $10,000 plus per client. So that means they need to get 2 clients per month to achieve $20,000. You see what we're doing here? We're doing the math. So I want you to look into this and do the math. So for example, if you're in a business right now, how are you going to scale that? What do the numbers look like? If you're in a full-time job, are there other jobs out there that you can find that would have bonuses or commission structures to reach $20,000 per month, right? Now, those are a couple of vehicles on which the $250,000 could come through. Yes, you could win the lottery. Yes, you could be gifted that amount of money. Yes, it could come from unexpected sources you have no idea about right now, right? So again, that first part is fusing with it, but you still want to run the numbers. How much would you actually have to win in the lottery to get $250,000 in your bank account, right? Well, if they take maybe 15-16% on taxes, you want to calculate that. If it's for a business, how much do you need to earn before and after taxes, right? Play with numbers, allow them to be non-emotional and just logical understanding of where you're going to take things. So you're playing with the numbers and you start to fuse with it. okay? Now, the step number 3 here is duplication, okay? So, for example, if you're earning $10,000 a month or $100,000, like I mentioned in my last video, you start to duplicate what's working. So if you're doing a certain marketing, or you're doing a certain thing in a job that's producing commissions and bigger amounts of money, duplicate that. If you've been used to winning the lottery, you win $500, you win $1,000, or you win $30, figure out a way to duplicate it. A lot of people will just figure out like, oh, I'm earning this amount of money, I don't know what to do. But a lot of what they're doing is working. So eliminate the things that aren't working, eliminate the things that are time consuming, and instead go ahead and duplicate the things that are, okay? Now that's how manifestation improves. That's how your subconscious starts to get reprogrammed, doing things repetitiously that work. Okay, so same idea with manifestation, start duplicating the things that are getting you to that next level, okay? Now, step number 4 here is aligning with abundance. All day you want to tell yourself, I'm now aligning with the parallel reality of abundance. I am now aligning with the parallel reality of abundance. See, there's an infinite amount of realities right now. It's called the multiverse, parallel realities, multiple worlds theory, whatever it is, it's all about the same stuff, just different names. But you want to understand that there's many realities going on right now. You can only see the one that you're looking at. You're only seeing the one you're watching this video. You see the water behind me, right? The jet ski going by right now. You only get to see those things from this reality. But that doesn't matter in the grand scheme of all the possible realities that are going on right now. So there's an abundant reality right now that you could be fusing with. And there's a lackful reality you could be fusing with. You want to look into, how could I fuse more with the abundant reality? So this is a reality you can't see it. It's not the same as this one. It's a little bit different. But in consciousness, you can fuse with that. I have more videos on parallel reality manifesting. Just look at my channel for parallel reality manifesting, and you'll find a couple of videos and ideas on how to shift over. But again, you're getting into a spot where you can actually be in thought of this $250,000 that's already available in another parallel reality. And step number 5 is the same step number 5 as my $100,000 per year manifestation, and that's consistently doing the work, being consistent, okay? I want you to watch this video every single day for the next 10 days, as best as you can, morning and night. Allow yourself to be in the awareness more and more. Allow yourself to fuse with these ideas. It takes work to shift your consciousness to the prosperity you're looking for. It's not just write down it on a goal card, or just write it down on a vision board, or put up a vision of what you want. You really have to do the work to fuse with that. Once you fuse with it, it's going to activate the projection of plans, possible circumstances, and the trajectory of your life shifting to an overall higher frequency. So once you activate it, once you're tuned in, the how is going to come to you. The things you need, the opportunities, the people, the right timing, the right feelings, the right actions, the right behaviors will start to find its way towards you as you found your way towards it. Now, it doesn't really make sense as much, right? But think of a magnet, okay? Right? Opposites attract here. So it's like you're here and you're here, you know, the thing that you want is here. They're not opposites, right, necessarily, but they are in an energetic fashion. You're a perfect puzzle piece for the thing you desire, and that's why you want it, okay? But the puzzle piece, are they the same? And that's how they connect? Not even close, right? A puzzle piece, one has certain angles to it, another one has certain angles or, you know, little pieces to it, and once you put them together, they click. So same thing goes with you and your desire. You're a perfect puzzle piece to your dreams, ambitions, visions, and desires. You're already a perfect match to it energetically. So when we say, as you fuse with it, it fuses towards you, it's true. As you seek it, it seeks you. It's true. Because your intentions are actual entities. So you're a perfect fit for that $250,000. You're watching this video because you desire it. You want to watch this video if you actually only want to earn $5,000 a year. Right? So understanding this allows you to have more belief in this process. There's a higher element, there's a limitless substance, a plastic substance that's very moldable, and it's not magic. So you actually going out there and doing these exercises, it's not like just hocus pocus, random magic tricks start to happen. You just have random money come in. You kind of have that happen, but it's not like you wake up tomorrow and your house is filled with gold, right? What happens instead is not like a sci-fi movie, but more so is you start to move your life in that direction. Things happen that will help you get there and bridge the gap. That doesn't mean every day is going to have ups only. You're going to have ups and downs. You're going to have challenging days. You're going to have more opportunistic days, right? Every challenge is an actual opportunity. But you're going to allow yourself to fuse with this more, and things are going to come towards you better. So these 5 steps here are designed to work on the energetic plane and work on the physical plane. As you saw, the first 3 are about energetics and also the physical plane, right? Doing work and action in your business or job, or going out there and playing the lottery, or going out there and doing the things you feel intuitively called to do to get where you want to go, right? So again, if you're in business, you start systemizing things, duplicating things that are if you're earning $10,000 a month, you say, how can I do that in half the time, right, while earning double the money? You start to think in terms of systems and duplication, okay? But that's the action part of it, right? The energetics part of it's that identity fusing, allowing yourself to fuse with the parallel reality of abundance, and allowing yourself overall energetically to be in the better space. Okay, really, really important. If you found any value in this video, please throw a like on the video, and if you haven't already, you're new to the channel, please subscribe as well. We'd love to have you here in our communities. And if you want any help with this, we got our mentorship. I work with all my students and clients in the description below. It's very deep one-on-one work, and we're going to help you take it to a whole new level. In fact, most people, many of my students, get back their investment in 30 to 60 days by working with me. Okay, and we got some amazing solutions for you to get started with us so that you can start earning as you're learning, and really allowing yourself to be in a better space overall, cleaning out any traumas, any limitations that are going on, and allowing yourself to broaden your horizons, getting yourself to the next level. All right, so every day practice these 5 steps. Allow yourself to be filled with that alignment of your next level of your $250,000 earnings, right? And allow yourself to be in a great space. I look forward to seeing you over in the next video here shortly.